Okay, what I want to show you here is how a traditional auto body repair goes when your car is hail damaged. There's a lot of different ways we can fix it and a lot of different ways the insurance wants to fix it, hint, the cheapest. And I'm going to show you what your options are and what really goes on. So what I've got here is a little video that's put out by 3M. They're a big player in the automotive, auto body adhesives and solvents and compounds business. They're probably the biggest player there. And they put this little video out to show you their new Bondo mixing gun. So Bondo is an auto body filler to 2-part epoxy, and this is how they fix a hail-damaged car in a regular body shop. They're not going to replace that panel, they're going to what they call repair it. So if you see, what they've done is sanded every single spot on the car and then mixed up this goo and smeared it over it. And this is considered industry standard repair. Now you and I can both tell by looking at it, this is not going to be amazing. They may be able to make it look really nice when it's done, but the dents are still there. They're just covered up in Bondo. And they're super excited about the fact that they are done with nearly 100 dents in a matter of minutes. But nothing's been fixed. They're just covered up, and then they're going to repaint it with a paint job that's unfortunately inferior to the factory paint jobs that are applied. This is the process that we do here at Bullseye Paintless Dent Removal. So we're going to fix these dents in a different manner. We're going to actually manipulate the metal back into its shape. So I've borrowed a video from a friend of mine named Steven. He's a fantastic dent guy, and he's a really great videographer. To be honest, he's able to capture these images better than I am. I'm an expert at fixing cars, but capturing the video, not so much. But he did a great job. So what you can see here is the specialized lighting that we use to see the reflection on the outside. And he's overlaid a quarter over the damage to show you how big this particular dent is. And I believe this is the hood of a Tacoma. I could be wrong about that, but here's the underside of the vehicle. If you look closely here where I'm putting my mouse, that's the back side of the dent that we're going to be working on. That is showing on the other side with the yellow light. So the way we repair these dents is very simple. We're just getting behind the metal with a specialized tool. It's basically just a hardened steel rod with a special tip on the end. And we're going to find a point of leverage here to be able to push and have some control. And you're going to watch the metal start flexing like this. Every push we make is in a different spot. So we're starting to manipulate that metal back into its original shape. Now, it's such a simple process that it's really easy to screw up, if I'm being completely honest. But if it's a technician who knows what he's doing, and all of ours have years and years and years of experience doing this, the result is flawless. Like an artist with a chisel and a hammer and a piece of stone, they can make something beautiful. It's the same way with this art. Give us the steel and our tools, and we can make it flat again. So when we're done, you'll see it's hundreds of pushes per each little dent. So it's rather laborious, but if you take your time, it can be a beautiful repair. So as we flex and flex and flex the metal every time in a different spot, we're slowly bringing the area back up to its original shape without damaging the paint at all. The paint is perfect still. So now when we're done, you're going to see a perfectly flat panel, all the original paint on the car still, and it's going to look amazing. And this is how we fix a car, and this is the reason we work at some of the local body shops that are very good at what they do. They know that this is a superior repair to painting the car. Now, sometimes if the dents have to be painted, they have to be painted, and that there's great body shops in town for that. But for damage like this hail damage, it simply doesn't have to be painted. We can keep all your original paint. We can get the car back to you very quickly, sometimes as quickly as 2 or 3 days, depending on the damage, and everything's back to new, and it still has the original paint. It's like a time machine, back to new again. No material added, no material removed. So if you're seeing this video on Facebook, then we are probably currently working at a body shop right here in town in Yuba City. So give us a call, 530-300-6760. You're going to talk to one of our hail specialists that are on the ground working on these cars now, and you can bring the car by and have us take a look at it. That's completely free. We'd love to meet you, and you can even see the cars we're currently working on so you can get an idea what we can do for yours. Thanks for watching. I hope I've been able to teach you just a little bit about hail damage repair. We look forward to being able to help you soon. Okay, I'm Keith. I'm the owner of Bullseye. I put this video together really quickly for you. I just kind of slammed a couple pieces together for you because this storm came out of nowhere. We weren't expecting it. We don't get hail damage here in California, but we did get it here in town, and I want to help you fix it. So I thought I'd just make a quick video showing you how it can be fixed, how it should be fixed, and let you know we're here to help you if you have any questions or want to get it done. So we're in town probably today. If you're watching this video, we're here in Yuba City working. So if you want to just swing it by wherever we are, we'd be happy to take a look at it and tell you what the car needs to be fixed right. Give us a call, 530-300-6760, and we'll chat with you today. Thanks for watching.